Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see the battery life of your iPhone SE 3rd generation in percentage. There are two ways to see the battery life in percentage on your iPhone SE 3rd generation. The first and the most easiest way is to open up your control center. Swipe up from the bottom and you should get the control center. Now, if you look at the top right, you'll see the battery percentage. The second way of seeing your battery life percentage on your iPhone SE 3rd generation is by placing the battery widget on your iPhone home screen. To do this, long press on an empty space until your icons start to wiggle. Then tap on the plus sign at the top right. In the screen, search for batteries, or you can scroll down and find the batteries widget. Tap on the batteries widget. Here, select your widget style. You can add a square widget, a rectangle, or a large rectangle widget. Tap on Add Widget, and then this will add the battery widget to your home screen. Now, using your finger, you can drag and move it anywhere you like on the screen. Now on the screen, you can see your battery percentage whenever you unlock your iPhone SE 3rd generation. And that is how to see your battery life of your iPhone SE 3rd generation in percentage. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.